Welcome to the Totally Honest Cooking Show. I'm Mark. Today we're making Muddy Buddies. You can frequently buy these in a bag at the store, but this looks way better. So I've been staring at this box of Chex Mix and there's a recipe on the back, and I said, yeah, let's do it. I've got 5 cups of chocolate Chex Mix and 4 cups of peanut butter Chex Mix. Pour them in a big bowl. Stir them around. Be gentle, they'll break. So over here I'm boiling water. You don't necessarily need to do this. You can throw all this stuff in a saucepan, but I felt like it would make it a little easier. So I put my double boiler on top, 1/4 a cup butter, 1 cup semi-sweet chocolate chips, and 1/2 a cup peanut butter. Now we're just letting all this stuff melt. And we're stirring it around so that it doesn't burn. I don't know the demographics for this show. I don't really look at that tab on YouTube because, you know, this is not a moneymaker for me. But if there's any foreign people watching, this is what they talk about when they talk about American food. Our dessert is all amazing, but so much of it is just hedonistic trash. And I'm very excited for this. And if you're new to this show, this is a show where I make whatever I want in order to encourage me to make new things. For some reason, I thought that the butter would take less time than the chocolate. At this point, I'm prepping 2 1-gallon bags. Those will go over there. And I'm going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Take it off the heat. Swizzle that around. Okay, now we're pouring this over our bowl. As far as I can tell, I'm mostly getting the camera work right today. Okay, now we're going to mix. Okay, so first of all, I can already tell you this will probably be easier with a smaller amount. I feel like I'm being destructive, but that's okay. And you want it to be as evenly coated as possible. The packaging for these claimed that they'd stand up on their own. We'll see what happens. Okay, I've put half of it into a gallon bag. I've got 3/4 a cup of powdered sugar. That's going in there. Seal the bag. Don't drain the air. You want a little space to work with. And shake. Do the other bag. I meant to add a dash of salt, but I forgot, and it's too late. So whoopsie doodle, it'll be fine. If you have salted butter, that'll work too. Here's another 3/4 cup of powdered sugar. Same deal. Again, shake it, bop it, pull it, throw it, hurl it. Now we're going to spread these out on wax paper to let them cool. Anybody that didn't get fully coated, you know, just you can either roll it around and see if you can make it work, or you can just go like this. Let this sit until it cools. And according to the internet, you can either put it in a plastic storage container for a week, or you can stick it in a freezer bag and freeze it for up to 2 months. I've not tested that last one. I'm not responsible if you hurt yourself. Okay, like, subscribe, ding the little bell. Maybe leave a comment down below. Let me know your hedonistic dessert. And I'll see you next Wednesday. Bye.